Alright, what's up guys? Today in this video we're finally going to be molding and putting on the passenger side rear quarter panel. I'm going to set up the tripod and just do a lot of tripod shots. I won't be talking too much in this video until I get to the actual molding process. For now, I'm just going to get set up so I can bond it to the car. Alright guys, I took the over fender back off. Right now we're gonna start with panel bonding adhesive. You gotta make sure to cover any bare metal with adhesive just to prevent rust. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna put it on the back of the over fender, and I'm just gonna put it right back on. What do you say?
We don't care.
Alright guys, it's been a long ass day. I'm sure you can hear my car revving right now. Probably can't hear me too well, but we finally got there, boys. Alright guys, it's been a long ass day. I'll recap exactly what happened next time I can. For now though, I might go drive. Gotta go clean up a little bit. Peace out, guys. Catch you on the next one.